तो लास्ट क्लास में यहाँ तक डिस्कस किया था हमने, है ना? We have given the definition of third law of thermodynamics based on entropy, that entropy of a pure crystalline substance at absolute zero temperature is zero. This was the third law of thermodynamics. Now, let us apply the first law of thermodynamics on this. So the first law of thermodynamics is
The energy only change into one form to another.
yes.
Can't be destroyed or created.
आपको ये स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है
Yes,
जो मैंने
sir.
शेयर
Yes,
कर
sir.
रखी है ना? यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट लॉ का
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? So first law is del q minus del w is equal to du.
D.
Change, this is change in internal energy. Del q for reversible process, del w for reversible process is equal to du. Now we have seen that del q for reversible process is equal to TdS. We have defined entropy, change in entropy ds as del q divided by T. So we can replace del q with TdS and del w with PdV. So we'll get this equation TdS minus PdV is equal to du. This equation is known as first TdS equation or Gibbs equation. So TdS minus PdV is equal to du, or we can write this as TdS is equal to du plus PdV. This is very important equation, and this equation is applicable only for reversible process. Okay.
Plus.
For all reversible process, we can apply the equation TdS is equal to du plus PdV. Now we can replace this du by using this enthalpy H is equal to U plus PV. We can differentiate this equation H is equal to U plus PV as dH is equal to du plus PdV plus VdP. So basically H is equal to U plus PV. If I differentiate this equation, I can write this as du plus PdV plus VdP. So since PV is the product, so we have differentiate the differentiation of first multiply by second and plus then V into dP. So we can replace this du as du will be dH. So
Minus
du will be dH minus PdV
PdV minus
minus VdP. Okay. So we'll put this du here. We'll put this du here. So TdS will be equal to dH minus PdV minus VdP plus PdV. So PdV will cancel out and we'll get TdS is equal to dH minus VdP. So these two equations are known as TdS equation
DH
or
minus
Gibbs
VdP.
equation. Okay, so TdS is equal to dH minus VdP or TdS is equal to du plus PdV. So we can use these two equations to solve the problems of thermodynamics. Okay. Now, these two equations are valid only for reversible process, and next is, so for water or for steam or for refrigerant, we have to use property tables to find the value of entropy and entropy change. So for water, we have seen in the steam table also, this is the graph for water. This is the saturated liquid plus vapor mixture. This is the compressed liquid region, and this is superheated vapor region. So to find the entropy, we have to use SF plus X2 into SFG, this equation in this liquid vapor mixture. By using superheated table, we can find the entropy here, and by using compressed liquid table, we can find the entropy. The point is to find the entropy value, we can use property tables for water and other refrigerants for the fluids which are compressible in nature. For compressible fluids, we have to use property table. For incompressible fluids such as solids or incompressible fluids such as any other liquid, we can use the entropy relation directly. So now you can use this by using the steam table. You can find the values different at 5 megapascal, 120 degrees Celsius. I have already shown you how to use the steam table. So you can find the values here. Now let us find the entropy change. So in case of pure substance, the entropy change is delta S S2 minus S1. Directly we can find. But in case of incompressible substance such as liquid and solid, we have to find by using the TdS equation. Okay, so by using TdS equation, we have divided with T. So ds is equal to du by T plus P by T into dV. So by using this equation, this is valid for incompressible substance, for any liquid and solid which cannot be compressed. For pure substance which changes its phase, you can use directly the property tables. Now you can replace du with CdT, and if dV is small, you can neglect it. So you can find ds is equal to C dt upon T, or ds is equal to integration 1 from 1 to 2 C dt by dt. So you'll get C is a constant, specific heat dt by T. You can integrate log T. Okay. For incompressible substance, if we are neglecting the volume, if we are neglecting the change in volume, we can write S2 minus S1 is equal to C average ln T2 upon T1. Okay. So for pure substance, you have to use property tables to find the entropy change. For incompressible substance, you have to use the TdS equation, which is TdS is equal to du plus PdV. So we have divided it with T. If it is given that the volume change is very small, you can neglect this and you can directly find the entropy. If it is not given that the volume change is not small, then in that case you have to integrate this equation completely. For example, in case of ideal gas, so in case of ideal gas, the volume change, we cannot neglect the volume change. So what we have to do in case of ideal gas, we have to integrate this equation ds is equal to du by T plus PdV upon T. So we will replace Cv with du with Cv dt and P by T by using the ideal gas equation. So
PV equal to MRT.
yes, so P, right, PV is equal to M.
Equal to MRT.
Okay,
So
so
equal to PV
we can replace P by
T
T
upon T.
is equal to M into
MR
divided by V.
V.
So we can replace P by T with M into R by V. And now you can see that these are the small. ds is small and du is small and dv is also small. Means it is specific volume, it is specific internal energy, this is specific entropy. So this M will go. Okay. So basically we can replace V by small m with small v. So P by T we can replace with R by V. Okay. And du we will write as du will write as CV into, okay. So we'll replace du with CV into dt divided by T and P by T as R by V. Now what we have to do, this is for ideal gas or any other gas. Okay. So du is Cv into dt by T. So now you can integrate Cv is constant, dt by T, the integration is log T. So ln T2 upon T1, and this is R by V. So this is basically R is constant, so you can take it out from integration. dV by V is again log V. So integration will be log V2 by V1. So finally, you will get this equation. Yes. S2 minus S1 is equal to Cv into ln T2 by T1. This is from the first part. Cv into ln T2 by T1 plus R into ln V2 by V. So this is given blank because you have to solve this to find. So this is the S2 minus S1 equation for ideal gas. Okay. So now you have three things. You have to, for pure substance, you have to find the entropy value by using the
Property.
table. For incompressible substance such as liquid and solid, you can neglect this dV change and you can directly get ds is equal to C dt by T. and you can get S2 minus S1 as C into ln T2 by T1. And for ideal gas, you cannot neglect dV, so you have to integrate that in S2 minus S1. You can get CV ln T2 by T1 plus R into ln V2 by T1. So this is for any general process with constant specific heat. Okay. Now, can you get this relation S2 minus S1 is equal to Cp ln T2 minus T1 minus R ln P2 by P1? So in previous, it was ln T2 by T1 with Cv and R with V2 by V1. Now you are getting Cp into ln T2 by T1 and R into P2 by V1. So this is nothing but you have to use the equation, second TDS equation, that is TDS is equal to dH minus VdP. Okay. So TDS is equal to dH minus VdP. Again, you have to integrate the equation in the same way. TDS is equal to dH minus VdP. So if you integrate that equation, you will get this relation. Okay. Any doubt till now? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. So you will get this equation by integrating the second TDS equation, that is TDS is equal to dH minus VdP. So by integrating that equation, you can change, get this form also. Okay, for isentropic process, you have to use these relations for isentropic process. What is isentropic process? In the last class, I have explained isentropic process means reversible adiabatic process. The process which is reversible and also adiabatic, that is there is no heat transfer. Okay. So for isentropic process, you can get this equation PV raised to power k is equal to constant, and by using this PV raised to power k is equal to constant, you can get all these three relations here. That is P1 V1 raised to power k is equal to P2 raised to power k. You can get this equation. Similarly, you can replace P with T, and you can get these two equations also. So the point is, by using PV raised to power k constant, you can find these three relations also between temperature and volume, temperature and pressure and volume. So this is the relations for isentropic or reversible adiabatic process. Okay. We'll not discuss this variable specific heat here. We'll only discuss the constant specific heat problems. This is, I think,
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Okay. So this is what we have to complete in chapter 7 about entropy. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So now you can solve remaining problems given in the second slide also, chapter 7 part 2.
बुक ले ले जाओ ले जाना पकड़ के
Yes, any doubt as of now? The next, you have some numericals. You can solve some numericals on entropy, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. And there is one more PPT that I want to show you. Okay. This also I will share with you, that in this also there is some calculation. So there is one question in your assignment that I have given is that you have to show that the slope of the line of constant pressure is more than constant volume line, like that. So this solution is given here. So for a perfect gas, du is equal to CVdt and dh is equal to CPdt for any ideal gas. Now if we substitute for du in equation 1 and dh in equation 2, we can get TdS is equal to CVdt here. So dt by ds is basically at constant volume T by Cv, and dt by ds at constant pressure is T by Cp, and we know that Cp is more than Cv. So if this is more, then this dt by ds will be less. So the slope of line dt by ds, slope of line is less. Hello? So, yes. So dt by ds is the slope of line, that is slope of temperature and entropy diagram. If the volume is constant, it is T by Cv, and if the pressure is constant, it is T by Cp. So we know that Cp is more than Cv. So this T by Cp, this will be less than this T by Cv, or this dt by ds will be less than dt by ds at constant volume. So this line will be flat than this dt by ds line. So this is the question in your assignment also, that you have to prove that the slope of the line is more and slope of the line, slope of the constant volume line is more. So by that you can prove that point. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? This graph also you can remember what will happen in various processes. For example, you have isothermal expansion process. So in isothermal expansion process, the entropy will increase, the temperature will remain constant, the pressure will decrease, and the volume will increase. Since it is an expansion, so volume is increasing, the pressure is decreasing, the temperature is constant, and the entropy is increasing in expansion process. In isothermal compression process, the entropy will decrease, temperature will remain constant, pressure will increase, and volume will decrease. Similarly for other isentropic and other processes. Okay. So now you can see 716. This 716. This is the constant volume line, and 918 is the constant pressure line. So the slope of constant volume line is more than the slope of constant pressure line. That is the question in your assignment. So if you can go and see that question. This is the, write down the first and second TDS equation that I have explained you. First and second TDS equation, derive the expression for difference in heat capacity Cp and Cv. And this question number 8, show that for an ideal gas, the slope of constant volume line on the TS diagram is more than that of constant pressure line. So for constant volume, we have slope which is equal to T by Cv, and for constant pressure it is T by Cp. Since T by Cp is less and T by Cv is more, so we can prove that for an ideal gas, the slope of constant volume line is more than the constant pressure line. So this was the assignment question. Question number 6 also we have discussed in the last class, prove that the entropy is a property of system. So by using the Clausius inequality and the subsequent discussion, we can prove that entropy is a property it does not depend upon the path followed. So, है ना? Then you can solve what is the difference between closed system and open system, that already been done. You can define the internal energy enthalpy PMM1 theory part. Yeah. Establish the inequality of Clausius already done. Carnot cycle. What are the various four processes? Okay. So I think most of the questions from the assignment is done. Only few is remaining. The point is now you have to solve some numericals given in the assignment. Okay. So now you can attempt the numerical given in the assignment, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So we'll solve the numericals also here. Some numericals from the assignment, we'll try to solve it here. So you are requested to at least attempt from question number 1 to question number 10 numerical questions. So if you have any doubt from 1 to 10, we can discuss in the next class in the numericals. Okay. Yes. Yes. Any doubt? Premvada?
No,
Okay. Roshan?
No, sir.
Prabhat?
नो सर सर आपने असाइनमेंट में 23 और 24 क्वेश्चन आपने कहा था बनाने के लिए जीमेल पे आया था
हम्म। तो वो 23
सर
24 कर
ट्राई
लिया
किए
आपने?
नहीं बन
तो उसमें
नहीं सर नहीं हुआ है
तो उसमें अब क्या करना, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम 1 से लेकर 10 तक डिस्कस करेंगे, है ना? उसके बाद 11 से 20
यस
तक,
सर
21 से 31 तक करेंगे। ठीक है, तो हम सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे,
ओके
असाइनमेंट के जितने भी हैं सारे ही करेंगे।
ओके सर
ठीक है, तो उसमें तुम्हारा भी आ जाएगा। तुम जब तक अपना डाउट प्रिपेयर करके रखना। अभी पहले नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए 1 से 10 तक सॉल्व करके आ जाना। 1 से 10 के बीच में जो भी न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन है उसको
ठीक है
solve कर लो, और उसमें कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लेना। ठीक है, नूरुद्दीन?
ओके सर
सर कोई डाउट नहीं है।
कोई डाउट नहीं है, सब ठीक चल रहा है? बाकी सबकी हो रही क्लासेस?
Yes.
yes, sir.
ये सर आज तो हुआ है दिनेश सर और सुनील सर
हुआ सुबह? आज 2 क्लास हुई
ये
क्या
सर
सुबह?
दिनेश सर और सुनील सर
सर दिनेश सर तो जूम में जुड़े नहीं पाते, तो कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में होता है।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
हम्म,
हाँ, कोई दिक्कत
कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में होता है
कोई दिक्कत नहीं, चलो
उनका
जैसे।
सर कोई
नेटवर्क
दिक्कत
नहीं
नहीं
आता है ना, तो
कोई नहीं, जैसे हो सकता है वैसे, जो पॉसिबल है होगा।
यस
चलिए, इहान कोई डाउट है?
है।
यहाँ नहीं है
है मेरे को
यहाँ
दिख
नहीं।
पे अंधेरे में हूँ मैं।
वो अच्छा
है लेकिन। हाँ, कोई और डाउट? ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में, है ना, न्यूमेरिकल करेंगे 1 से 10 के बीच में जो भी। ठीक है, चलो, है
ओके
ना?
सर।
ठीक है, चलो।
ओके सर
ओके।
Thank you, sir.